Retina treatments, including surgery, is highly specialized for conditions such as retinal detachment, age-related macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy. The aims of treatment are to improve vision and in some cases to prevent blindness. Retina treatment and surgery needs to be done in a purpose-built facility like we have at OCL Vision. The length of surgery depends on the type of treatment you're having. So for example, an eye injection takes several minutes, whereas more involved vitrectomy surgery for a problem like retinal detachment takes between half an hour to an hour. Your eye will be completely comfortable. It is numbed with local anesthesia, and you'll be half asleep because you would have had intravenous sedation. So rest assured, your eye will be completely comfortable during surgery. In terms of recovery, that varies according to treatment. So if it's something like an eye injection, you'll recover within the same day. If it's more involved surgery by one of our retina specialists, recovery takes between a week to 2 to 3 weeks. Retina treatment is highly specialized. Thus, you want to ensure you see an experienced surgeon that will personalize your care and choose the right treatment for you. If you'd like to see us for initial consults, please reply to this email or give us a ring on 0203 369 2020. We look forward to seeing you.